It's Brian from Winter Garden Yoga, the only yoga studio where flexibility is not required. And today we're going to look at how to use a yoga block for mountain pose. So when you're ready, grab a yoga block and find a wall. Let's go through this together. Now this one is a little bit tricky. So we've got to set the yoga block correctly. We set it to, you have tall, medium, short. So set it to short. And you're going to put the yoga block not too high, not too low, just right about your belt line. And then just gently approach the wall. And the goal is to get the yoga block to push your pelvis under you. It's called a posterior pelvic tilt. If we get it just right, the yoga block sits in place and you'll feel your pelvis rotate under you. If we don't get it right, watch here. The yoga block lifts away from the seat. Your rear end is protruding. Your tummy stretches. We want to go the other way. Let the yoga block push your pelvis under. So now your tummy tightens and the yoga block stays secured to your sacrum. Hands to heart center or hands by your side. Give that a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if there's any other yoga poses you want to see with the yoga block. And please subscribe, because I'm keeping my beard until we hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks.